Daniel sets a calendar reminder on the first of every month. $50. Dividend portfolio. He does not change it. He does not increase it. He just leaves it running. $50 a month. 30 years. $377 a month in dividends without selling a single share. The portfolio stays whole. The income just shows up. The $50 rule has 3 lines. $50 goes in every first of the month. Dividends reinvest automatically. You can increase the amount, never decrease it. That is the entire rule. A dividend is a company sharing its profits with you every 3 months just for owning the stock. No work, no selling. The check arrives because you are a shareholder. When you sell shares to create income, the account shrinks. Dividends are different. The income arrives, the shares stay. You keep both the asset and the check. DRIP Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Every dividend automatically buys more shares. Those shares pay more dividends. Those buy more shares. Turn it on once. Leave it running forever. Daniel's $50 goes into 3 funds. SCHD, the High Dividend Income Engine. VIG, the Dividend Growth Fund. VTI, the Total Market Anchor. 3 jobs, 3 funds. SCHD. 100 high-quality U.S. companies selected specifically for consistent dividend history and financial strength. This is the fund writing the biggest checks in Daniel's portfolio. SCHD pays about 3.5% in dividends today. That dividend grows at roughly 11% a year. At that rate, the income doubles every 7 years. Not the stock price, the dividend check itself. SCHD does not just chase the highest yield. It selects for quality cash flow, return on equity, payout sustainability. High yield plus high quality is rare. SCHD finds it systematically. VIG, companies that have raised their dividend every single year for at least 10 consecutive years. To get into this fund, a company has to prove it pays through recessions, crashes, and uncertainty. VIG pays 1.8% today, lower than SCHD, but it grows at 9% a year, and the total return over 10 years is 13%. VIG is where Daniel plants for the next 2 decades, not the next 2 quarters. SCHD handles today's income. VIG builds tomorrow's portfolio. Together, they create a dividend machine that pays now and grows for later. That tension is the whole point. VTI. About 4,000 U.S. companies, the entire U.S. stock market in one fund, small, mid, and large cap. This is the growth engine that lifts the whole portfolio's value over time. VTI pays the lowest dividend of the 3, 1.4%, but it covers the widest ground. If any single sector struggles, the other 3,999 companies absorb it. This is Daniel's insurance policy. SCHD gets $25. VIG gets $15. VTI gets $10. $25 buys income. $15 buys growth. $10 buys stability. That is the full allocation from a single $50 bill. Daniel's blended portfolio, 2.7% income today, growing at 9.5% a year. 12.5% total annual return. The dividend income doubles roughly every 7.5 years without Daniel adding more money. Daniel's first quarterly dividend, $1.13. He expected this. He is not disappointed. He knows exactly what this $1.13 is. It is the first brick. Year 1, $672 in the portfolio, $18 a year in dividends, $1.50 a month. This feels like nothing. This is the foundation being poured. The concrete does not look like a house yet. Years 1 through 4 feel like nothing is happening. Compound interest is running invisibly. The investors who quit in year 3 quit right before the shift begins. Year 3. $5 a month in dividends. Enough to cover a streaming subscription from income Daniel did not earn by working. Tiny, real, and it grew by itself. Every quarter, DRIP buys Daniel more shares with the dividends. He did not authorize this purchase. He did not think about it. The rule is running itself. Year 5. $4,270 in the portfolio. $9.58 a month in dividends. and the market has added $1,270 on top of Daniel's $3,000 contribution. The ratio is beginning to shift. A single SCHD share Daniel bought in year 1. Its dividend grows at 11% every year automatically. By year 15, that original share pays 4.3 times what it paid on day 1. Same share, bigger check. Year 10. $11,100 portfolio, $25 a month in dividends. Half of Daniel's monthly contribution, arriving without any work. The market is doing 46% of the building now. Daniel, at year 10. $11,100. $25 a month. Appearing in his account every month without any decision, any work, any selling. The $50 rule is no longer a habit. It is a portfolio. Daniel's portfolio at year 10 broken down by fund. SCHD at $5,550. VIG at $3,330. VTI at $2,220. All three compounding with both price appreciation and reinvested dividends running simultaneously. Two snowballs running at the same time. The portfolio value growing, the dividend income growing. By year 10, both are visible. By year 20, both are undeniable. Year 15. $51 a month in dividends. More than Daniel's entire $50 monthly contribution arriving without touching the portfolio. The dividend check is now larger than the rule that created it. Year 14. The monthly dividend income crosses above the $50 monthly investment. From this point forward, the portfolio is generating more every month than Daniel puts in. Every month after this, the gap widens. Year 20. $40,300 portfolio, $90 a month in dividends. Daniel contributed $12,000 total across 20 years. The market built $28,300 on top of it. The market is doing 70% of the work. Daniel, at year 20, $40,300. From $50 a month. From one calendar reminder. He set at 27. He has never changed the rule. He has never needed to. $90 a month covers a phone bill, a car insurance payment, a week of groceries. It arrives every month. Daniel does not sell a share to receive it. The portfolio just sends the check. DWW 2. The 9.5% annual dividend growth rate is the hidden superpower. At year 20, $90 a month. At year $3,377 a month. Same portfolio. Same shares. The income grew by itself. Year 25. $73,900 portfolio. $166 a month in dividends. 80% of everything in this portfolio was built by the market, not by Daniel's $50. He contributed the seed. The market grew the orchard. Year 1, Daniel plants a seed. Year 10, a small tree. Year 20, real branches. Year 30, a full orchard. The $50 is the seed. Drip is the watering. Time is the soil. Year 30. $113,100 portfolio. $254 a month in dividends. Daniel contributed $18,000 total across 30 years. The market built $95,100 on top of it. He did 16% of the work. At year 32 options, take only the dividends $254 a month. The portfolio stays completely intact. Or use the 4% rule, $377 a month, drawing down the portfolio gradually. Daniel chooses year 30. The same calendar reminder Daniel set at 27 is still firing on the first of every month. The rule is still running. And this quarter, the portfolio paid him $635 in dividends. 3 things made this work. The rule never changed. Drip never turned off. And Daniel never sold a single share. 3 non-decisions worth $95,100 in market-built wealth. Every additional $50 a month added to the rule becomes another $254 in monthly dividends at year 30. The math scales perfectly. Start at $50. Increase it whenever you can. When the market drops 30%, Daniel's $50 buys 43% more shares than it did the month before. SCHD keeps paying dividends. DRIP keeps reinvesting at the discount. The crash works for the $50 rule, not against it. 5 steps. Open the brokerage account. Set the $50 recurring transfer. Buy the 3 funds. Turn on DRIP. Set a once-a-year check reminder. 20 minutes. Done. The $50 rule only works if it is automatic. The moment it requires a monthly decision, it gets skipped. Automate the transfer. Automate the DRIP. Then forget it exists until year 30. Skipping 6 months a year every year costs $56,600 over 30 years. Half the consistency destroys half the wealth. This is why the rule has to be automatic, not a decision. A system. 1 restaurant dinner for 2, 10 coffees, 1 impulse online purchase. That is $50. Daniel is not sacrificing a meaningful part of his life. He is redirecting 1 ordinary spending decision every month. The complete $50 rule journey. Screenshot this. These are the real numbers. SCHD, VIG, VTI, $50 a month, starting from 0. The $50 rule is not about the amount. It is about the habit becoming invisible. Once it is invisible, it compounds without you. That is when it quietly turns into something real. No complexity, no noise. Just the 4 that do the work. Subscribe to Wealth Construct. Share this with someone who thinks they need thousands to start investing. $50 a month, 3 funds, 1 calendar reminder. What would you redirect to start the $50 rule this month? A dinner out, a subscription, an impulse purchase. Drop it below. What is the one thing you can reroute? New videos every day. The real math, always. I'm Professor Alex. This is Wealth Construct. Wealth Construct. The real math, always.